Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to shut down and sign out using keyboard shortcut key in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want shut down and sign out using keyboard shortcut key, then I will show you how to do this. I will show you on on-screen keyboard. Then press here Windows X. Then press on Alt U. If you want sign out, click on Alt I. If you want shut down, click on Alt U. That's it guys. So in this you shut down and sign out using keyboard shortcut key. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.